I'm going to show you how to switch or change screens in Parsec. So if you've joined a session and the other computer has multiple screens, here's how to switch the screens. So here, for example, I've joined the session on my computer from my mobile device. And since I have multiple displays on my computer, I can click on the Parsec logo on the top left, which you should see it. You join sessions from computer as well. You want to click on it, and then in the drop down you should find switch display. Click on switch display, and then you should be able to see all the available displays on the other machine. So for example, I can switch to other monitor if I want to. So for example, I'm going to switch to the second monitor. I can simply click on the monitor here and it will switch to my OBS, as you can see right here. And that's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you on the next one.